How to make art instruction videos without filming. Creating art instruction videos doesn't have to involve cameras, lighting setups, or time-consuming edits. With InVideo AI, you can design professional quality video tutorials that guide viewers through drawing, painting, or design principles without recording anything yourself. This platform is perfect for artists who want to share their techniques but don't feel comfortable on camera or simply want to save time. You can upload step-by-step instructions in text form, and InVideo will convert them into animated slideshows, complete with voiceovers and visuals. You can showcase brushstrokes, color theory, composition tips, or even digital art workflows using high-resolution images or stock videos from InVideo's vast media library. You can add arrows, highlights, and zoom effects to make your points clearer, and use AI voices to narrate the process. Want to create a tutorial on shading techniques or perspective drawing? Just input the key steps and let InVideo AI build a polished, engaging video in minutes. The best part is how easy it is to brand your videos, add your watermark, choose your font style, and keep a consistent look across your series. It's great for YouTube, Instagram, online courses, or even workshops. If you've been putting off creating art tutorials because of the technical hassle, now's your chance. Click the link in the video description to join InVideo AI for free and bring your art teaching ideas to life without filming a single frame.